So guys, we're doing the team draw now for case 2. Random is live at 6:45, 46 PM Melbourne time. Participants' names 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Team list. We're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Random is complete. And the teams are Nathan Allott, Lakers, John Deedon, Mavs, Cannon, Jazz, O'Dorman, Hawks, Darren Gibbs, Wolves, Timbo, Heat, Deedon, Raptors, Hurley, Nuggets, O'Dorman, Cavs, Lane, Spurs, Dean Miller, Suns, Kiwi, Wizards, Glenbow, Bucks, Coulson, Clippers, O'Dorman, Bulls, Timbo, Pacers, Zach Nichols, Nets, John Deedon, Knicks and Pelicans, Jeff, Pistons, Birch, Hornets, Nathan Allott, Magic, Ashley Scott McMahon, with Celtics and Blazers, Michael Paul, Rockets, Ashley Scott McMahon, Sixers, Cannon, Grizz, Van Sanderson, Thunder, Tahi Kings, and Ashley Scott McMahon, Warriors. So McMahon seems to have dominated with Warriors, Sixers, and Celtics. So there we go. Yoink.